Guys, this is gonna be a really quick video. So I sold my CCWs off the Evo today. The Evo is over there. I'm trying not to show you too much. Over there on the stock wheels next to my father's Mustang. Now, I'm gonna get different wheels for the Evo later on. Probably in 6 or 7 months, because I just didn't like how the CCWs looked on it, and I've rocked CCWs on vehicles before. So, I took the money and got this. All right, let's go all through all the features, you know what I'm saying? We got our patina, you know what I'm saying, right here, greasy fingers. Anyway, got our patina, got our mint condition leather interior, mint condition. Original radio still works though, so that's cool. Mint condition door, real nice 20-inch wheels for performance. You know what I mean? Yep. Fresh paint, Got our tractor mirrors. Got our super duper, super nice bed liner here. Our rattly window. But this thing is 5-speed and it is cool. Oh, let me show you the best part. Okay, let's put this up. Got a super nice battery mount here. And what's that? Oh, how's your strut tower doing, you say? Not bad. It's not too bad. Yeah. Strut tower was completely fucked, and I racked and strapped it so I could get back. Okay, so before we get to do anything with this thing, I've actually driven it around quite a bit, which is why it broke off all the way. This strut tower is just gone. You know what I mean? Like it's gone. So I need to fix this thing. I have the new strut tower actually. It came with the car. Good old VW. That one's also with the car. That's the other side. But we're gonna work on this side first. I already got the coilover out. My tire was rubbing on the coilover because it was all jacked up. The control arm is also fucking macked, but they're like literally $10, which is cool. I see a little bit more rust here, so I'm gonna check that out and make sure that's not cancerous. But that's what we're dealing with. That's what we're gonna fix today. Odd enough, this thing literally only needed fucking 2 cuts. I literally cut it right there, and the rest just kind of fell off. So that's what we're working with. Holy smokes. Okay, so now I need to figure out what's solid and what's not. Actually, hold on. Always wear gloves when you're dealing with rusty shit. Anyway, so let's break this off. Maybe see if we get some rust off here. Okay, so I guess that's kind of solid. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably just going to cut around the perimeter of this, and then sit the new strut tower up in there, and then see what I have to weld in and what needs to come out. Like, this is just falling apart. It's old Volkswagens, man. Don't buy one unless you sell your CCWs. Then buy one for sure. But yeah. So let's get this going. And this right here. Okay, so that's still part of the chassis. That's another thing. This is over here. It's coming off. So let's look. I have this entire thing, so I can really kind of go nuts here and go all the way up and kind of cap this off. I might need to pull some more parts off of here so I can get around and actually get a good weld on this. Let me cut. I'm gonna cut some more of this out and see what happens. More of this metal cut out. Just kind of make it a little cleaner. I'm gonna get all this crap out of here, and then kind of go from there. See what we got. Now we take our piece. I cut myself because I wasn't using gloves, like I literally said to use before. But whatever. This guy's throwing shit. Anyway, so got our piece. Also, and by no standard is this the proper way to do this. So don't, like, you know, get in the comments and be like, bro, you did that wrong. Da, 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 da. I don't care. I really don't care. I literally don't care. And one more time, I don't care. So tap that puppy in there. Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do, since most of that's cut out, what I could do is I could be lazy and just weld this over the top, which is what I'm probably gonna do, and then I'm gonna pleat it from the bottom to make it strong, just so I don't have to worry about you know, the rigidity here. It'll have more layers of metal at that point, but that's how it would sit underneath. So it literally replaces that whole piece, and then that over there I'll just take care of with some metal. Call it a day. I gotta grind some more and get that sound deadening off, and then see what I can find. I will report back with my findings. Got it set in place. Boom, boom, boom. Gonna tack weld it. We got so far, but I just found this guy down here. Nasty. I'm gonna plate that real quick. Probably gonna do this too, just because I got the welder out. And then I gotta use that metal for up there too. So I'll do all that all at the same time. Let's freaking do it. Okay, found another rust hole. So I need to get some metal. Down to the basement we go. Metal over here. Metal cabinet. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good. Zip zap, motherfucker! Alrighty. It's the next morning. So camera died last night. Everything died last night. Well, I didn't die. I'm still alive. Kinda. Anyway. So I finished it on this side. I didn't do the other side because fuck that. But it's got a strut tower. Not fix the hole back there because I don't care about the hole. I'm probably gonna end up pulling this motor out at some point, so then I'll actually make it nice. But right now, I just wanted it to actually drive. I took it on a test drive last night. It drives mint. I'm super happy with it. It was just a pile of fucking rust. It's nasty. But I got my 13-inch BBS RS's. Hi, puppy. Hi. Now I got my 13-inch BBS RS's freaking spinning, bro. Yeah, son. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Anyway, that's the other strut tower. So just in case I need it. Not even just in case. When I need it. Because you know it's going to rot the fuck out. Yeah. Oh, this is a free shift linkage that I got yesterday. Super friggin' dope. Little truck. And I can put go-karts in it. The 944 is actually pretty much done. I'm waiting for some more parts to come in from overseas, and then it's gonna get painted. And the 911 engine has been unveiled to the public. That's it right there under that tarp. So, and then Corona Kart V1, Joe's kart, and then Corona Kart V2 is over there. So I gotta do some some video on that thing. So hope you guys enjoyed. Very short video, not too many details, but it's all good. I'm gonna eat some breakfast.